just finished with the MDX. Daytime running lights on the bottom. There's no daytime running light. I just put the LED bulbs in the bottom. Finished up these custom headlights that I just built for him. The LED strip that changes orange when turning, and then the halo that just stays white when driving. So as you can see, there's no check daytime running light on the dashboard because I have the decoders in, which stopped it from going off. So I'm gonna turn it one click, the headlights, so the daytime running lights are still on. Then I have one click, which will show you the LED strip is on. Looks really awesome. This is what it looks like from the front. This is definitely cool. It looks really nice. Too bad these go out when the headlights turn on. So with the headlights, he wanted me to wire them up to the headlights, so when the headlights turn on, the halos turn on. So I'll turn another click for the headlights to turn on, and the halos are on also, but the daytime running lights go off on the bottom. So this is what the headlight looks like. Yeah, also upgraded headlight bulbs, the Ostrom CBIs. So now I'm going to show you guys the turn signal. This will be his turn signal. I pulled this bulb that was up here because he already has a turn signal here and a turn signal in the mirror. So this one is still white and this one is orange flashing. So now I'm going to show you guys the passenger side. Here's what the passenger side look like. And driver's side. And this is with the black painted grille. So we'll turn the hazards on. Turn off the turn signal. Show you guys what the hazards look like. On. This is what his hazards is gonna look like. Damn, this should look dope. This looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think, definitely. So this is his new turn signals. Definitely makes the MDX look a lot newer, a lot classier. So turn the hazards off. Then I had to add load resistance to the turn signals to slow down the blinking. So we'll turn off one, the headlights with the halos, and the daytime running light comes off. Even this way is nice, like right now. He didn't want the LED strip connected to the daytime running lights because he didn't want to put too much wear on the LED strip to where it'll burn out eventually. So he just has it set up so when he turns on the headlight one click, you know, he gets the LED strip on. Definitely want to know you guys' opinions. Let me know what you guys think, definitely. Let me know how y'all think it came out. He definitely, this is the tint on it. He does have a tint on it, just to let you guys know. So that cloudiness is on the tint here. That's a little bit on his tint. That's the tint itself. So I don't know what's up with that, but that's the tint he has there. This tint is a little better, but it is a little messed up here. It's always been like that. This is what they look like close up. Because all here was white. I mean chrome. All here was chrome, all around here was chrome, all here was chrome. He wanted this to stay orange, so I left it orange and I added an LED bulb here because his was out on the side. Also added another LED bulb on this side. Yeah. So, hold on. Yeah, I gotta put that back on. I didn't plug the bulb back in. I gotta put that bulb back in. But I'm not finished yet because he was missing a cover in the back because whoever did work on the car before, they never put the cover back on, so I gotta take it out. I just wanted to make a video showing you guys what it looked like, but I gotta take the headlight. I only put one screw in for the headlight and just slid the bumper on. See, it's not fully on. And I'm just gonna take it off to put the new cap on. Right now I have tape on the back covering it, and he has the cap, so once he brings the cap tomorrow, I'll just put the cap on and everything will be good to go. But this is what it looks like. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and share. Peace.